I think we'll just start the official content. Thanks for waiting. The first exercise we have is exercise 8, set up the pricing procedure determination. So the company as part of the project team, we need to ensure that the correct pricing procedure is being used in each case. First, we have which customer pricing procedure is found in the sales area data of the master record for C's 6220. I think it was 1 or A or something like that. Let me predefine it. I think this is what I have explained it to you last time. And in customizing which document pricing procedure is found for the document type OR, I think it's A. Or maybe here's A, here's 1. I'm not sure. Maybe they switch, but we can check it later on. What pricing procedure does the system determine if you create a standard order for the following values? Really easy one. Okay, so I think it's already what I have said to you earlier. I think in exercise 3, important condition technique terms, I have shown you all the ways and all the components which has been used to determine the pricing procedure during pricing. This is more or less a time that we can validate this pricing procedure determination. Regarding the theory, I don't think there could be much to talk about regarding the pricing procedure. Let's see if I have one here. Probably configure pricing. No, not exactly. Yeah, this should be then the pricing procedure that we are talking about. It will be determined based on 3 main components. First is the sales document type. Secondly, it's sold to party, which is our customer. And thirdly, it is the sales area. The sales area then is being contributed by sales org, distribution channel, and division. Those 3 main components will then determine the pricing procedure. Pricing procedure then will have a lot of condition types being assigned here, the requirement reference level, and so on. All right, and let's just get into it. Open up the training environment. We'll be needing the SAP GUI then. I will go to SPRO. Maybe first the customer, right? We need to check the customer C620. It could be 628.26. The customer Amadeus 26 in Heidelberg. Double click on that. And then I will go to customer. This is the row where we check all the SD relevant data. FUCU01, but you can see customer and go for it. Here you will have new tabs open here on top. Compared to the general data, you have a specific sales and distribution data for the customer road. And here we have in sales area of the sales org 1010 Germany, direct sales and cost division. This is like a standard sales area for every exercises. And then we will see, I think it could be then pricing and statistic. You can see here the customer pricing procedure, which is 1 standard customer classification for pricing procedure determination here. So it is 1 exactly. And secondly, we are going to now check in the back end and the document pricing procedure. Why do we need to do it? Actually, the thing is, if you have also known from the last exercise, we want to know how a pricing procedure has been determined and what is a pricing procedure. When we go to an item position and you have here all the condition type has been defined. First, you go the price, and then come the output tags. These are the pricing procedure that we have predefined, and how the system know which pricing procedure to be used in which scenarios. That is when we go to analysis. And you see here, the pricing procedure RVAA01, the standard one, has been used for this particular sales order. And how it is being determined? There, we need to go to check for the pricing procedure determination. I will check for RV001 and not setting up, but maintaining it. We need to go to SPRO, go to sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing control, define and assigning pricing procedure. As you can see here, I have the set pricing procedure determination. I'm not sure what transaction it is. OVKK. Okay. Then I'll also save it in my favorite. OVKK, which is a set pricing procedure determination. Coming back to that, I will save now the sales org 1010, distribution channel 10, division. The document pricing procedure I don't know now, but for the customer pricing procedure I have one. So as you can see now, I have this combination of sales area, the first three columns, secondly, the document pricing procedure and the customer pricing procedure. And with this 5 fields or 3 main components, I have my pricing procedure determined, which is RVAA001, which we have seen in the sales document order. So yeah, I think the customer want pricing procedure we have seen earlier in the business partner. Now the only thing to confirm is that the document pricing procedure, and that is the reason why we need to check every component of it and then see the determination of the pricing procedure, and then we know exactly which pricing procedure will be then used in the sales order. So coming back to what I want to tell you, the only thing we now need to only see is the document pricing procedure. For that, we don't need to go to business partner, but we will then stick here with this exercise or with this activities of assigning document pricing procedure to order types, which is the order types OR that I want to see. And here we have here the document pricing procedure is A, which is standard. So yeah, that explains this determination of the pricing procedure RVAA01. Yeah, simply like that. I hope that is clear to you. It's really a simple exercise, just a determination of pricing procedure, how many components are there, and where to configure each pricing procedure index. For example, customer and business partner, document pricing procedure inside the configuration SPRO, and the transaction, if I have it, OVKG. Yeah, you can also note it down in your Excel sheet or something like that. OVKG, which is yeah, order pricing procedure. You can go directly it here. And then you set up the sales pricing procedure determination, and you will have it.